You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, I've got a Ryobi speedhead that's been beat up pretty good. And I'm going to take the head off here, and we're just going to follow some very simple instructions. First thing, we're going to unlock it, and then the speedhead actually is a pretty common and very easy to use component. All you got to do to string it is you're going to line up the arrows. If you can see them, there's an arrow here, and there's two arrows on the side, and when you do that, it opens a passageway right through the middle here that you can run your string through. And so it calls for about 16 feet of string. So we're going to get our string here. Take that 16 feet, and since I'm about 5'8", 5'9", somewhere in that neighborhood, we're going to go ahead and assume it's going to be almost three arm lengths. 1, 2, and a little less than 3 full lengths. We'll go about there. I've got this little cutter on the end here that I'm going to use just to pop this string in here. I'll trim it right off for me. It's kind of a nice handy feature to have when you're working hot and sweaty and stuff. Alright, so we got our string cut, 16 feet give or take. And now we're going to go to our speedhead. And again, in this case, in the middle, you'll see this black line. And you should be able to run your string right through there. And what you want to catch is there's a little groove. And if you're not just right on it, you'll find that little groove right there. You can see that the string is going through it. All that's happening, and we'll pull this out so you can see what's happening, but all that's happening here is this groove is actually lined up with this rivet, and it's going to go all the way through. In fact, if you just look right here, see how the string will go through that metal piece? Well, when you line all the pieces up, it goes through this metal groove, and then through there, then through there, and it comes right out the other side. And so now we're going to basically pull it until it's about even. Run the distance there to make sure we're close. I'll just grab it from about right here. That's the end. See how close we are on either side. Pretty good there. Probably within an inch or two. So I think I'm in good shape now. Yeah, just see if you can get it close. I'm pretty close in this case, so I'm going to pull it just a shade. There we go. All right, we're good. So now that we've got the string in there, we're ready to reattach them to the speedhead. The speedhead's good to go. And so we're going to just take this and we will pop them in position. The little locking mechanism is also on here. You want to make sure your spring is on there. Put that together, turn your locking mechanism. Now, to run that, you're just going to turn them clockwise, and you'll notice how quickly that string winds up, just like that. And they've got a little tool you can use as well that you can run them around. Just as easy to use your hands, in my opinion. I mean, if I had the tool laying around, I probably would try and use it. But there we go. Just like that, we've got 16 feet of string wound up pretty nice. There we go. But that looks pretty good to me. Speedhead loaded and ready to go. Alright friends, you've been watching DIYNate. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also leave some additional instructions in the video description, as well as some links to buy certain products. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.